What's the best thing you ever found while cleaning or organizing that you had been looking for a while? Okay, I'll go first. While cleaning up back here, this is my lean-to. This is what I call my phoenix wall. I call it that due to the burnt wood, which is the old roof boards from the other garage, the roof decking. I had hired an electrician to wire it all. He wired everything, but he didn't come back and finish doing all the wiring, which led me with no power back here. And it was driving me nuts because I have my lawnmower in the back there, and I gotta sometimes charge a battery on that, which was a huge pain in the butt to get power back here or bring the battery charger back or whatever the case may be. Well, back to the story. I was cleaning up. All of a sudden, I saw the wire sticking out. I'm like, oh, yes. I can finally put an outlet in. To which I have done right here.